Oke-Ogun ẹ má ṣe lajú sílẹ̀ kíre gbogbo tó kàn yín ó má ṣe nù. Oke-Ogun ẹ jẹ́ yí àsowọ́pọ̀ yé káwọn Ìbàdàn má bàa jẹ yín máyé o. Oke-Ogun ẹ má ṣe lajú sílẹ̀ kíre gbogbo tó kàn yín ó má ṣe nù. Oke-Ogun ẹ jẹ́ yí àsowọ́pọ̀ yé káwọn Ìbàdàn má bàa jẹ yín máyé o. Mo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ẹni tó lè jẹ́ gómìnà kí ló wá dé tí gbogbo yín fi ń sùn. Ọ̀tẹ̀ àti lára ló ṣe yín dẹ́rìrò ẹ̀yìn. Oke-Ogun ní gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ kan o. Oke-Ogun ẹ má ṣe lajú sílẹ̀ kíre gbogbo tó kàn yín ó má ṣe nù. Oke-Ogun ẹ jẹ́ yí àsowọ́pọ̀ yé káwọn Ìbàdàn má bàa jẹ yín máyé o. Àjọjẹ òdùn bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ò bá ní ọ̀tún gbọ́dọ̀ fún òsì jẹ kí òsì ó fún ọ̀tún jẹ bí wọn ò bá wá fúnra wọn jọ wọ́n ń dọ́wọ́ lóró nù. Àkàndá alóró ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu bíi tejò Àjàó àró irúnmọlẹ̀ padà bọ̀ràn míyàn igi àdárọ̀ mi kán ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ló ń mórílé ọmọ rí odó fẹ́ lù yá gbọ̀ngbọ̀n kí ló dé gan ẹni tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ìlú Ìbàdàn nìkan wọ́n dáyé fún ni kí ló dé tọ́jà Ìbàdàn nìkan ní jẹ gómìnà láti ìgbà tá a ti lá padà sí òṣèlú ìjọba àwa ara wa àwọn ara wọn lèyí tìlú tó kù kọ́ ṣé kò sí èèyàn gidi ní Ọ̀yọ́ North àti Ọ̀yọ́ South Senatorial District tó kúnjú òṣùwọ̀n tó lè jẹ gómìnà bóyá orí tiwọn kì í sì jẹ́ àbí bóyá wọ́n ń sùn káta wọ́n jí pé bá a bá dákẹ́ tààrẹ rin bá ní dákẹ́ ni pé béèyàn bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n fi retí ẹ̀ ṣàpínlẹ̀ àìjẹ́ pé Oke-Ogun lọ́kàn láti jẹ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lọ́dún 2027 ẹ̀ ǹlẹ́ o ẹ̀yin Oke-Ogun lápapọ̀ ọjọ́ wo nírúlá yín ọ̀panupọ̀ sọ́nà kan ọjọ́ wo l'Oke-Ogun ọ̀pá ìtọ̀pọ̀ kó lè hó ọjọ́ wo lẹ́gbàgbé ọ̀tẹ̀ àti lára èèyàn ńlá ń bẹ l'Oke-Ogun tọ́kájú òṣùwọ̀n tó lè ṣe gómìnà bọ̀tì àìrẹ́ni bá dámọ̀ràn ọmọ Ìwọ̀fà ni ọjọ́ mọ̀ kórí ọlá ló ń mú wáyé gbogbo ọjọ́ tí fi ń ṣerú sí fún yàn ni ọba fi gbájúmọ̀ tí yóò sọ ọ́ dèèyàn láwùjọ ẹnìkan mọ̀ tó ti dìde ń bàdàn èmi lọ́kàn ní mọ̀ ń wí ń gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́sẹ̀ wèrè òbùsọ̀gùn ọlọ́gbẹ́ èwo lọ fẹ́ gbé tiẹ̀ kalẹ̀ orí sanmi ọ̀sángi orí gbàdà ọ̀gbàtọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ni eégún lé lọ òjì ló ń jẹjẹ njó lo tó fẹ́ jèrè àárọ̀ ọ̀run àwọn ará Oke-Ogun ló fi ogbe tó dùn fún kọ̀lọ̀kọ̀lọ̀ àwọn lọ́jẹ́ kí Ìbàdàn máa fi ọ̀bọ lọ̀ wọ́n lójoojúmọ́ ìdí ni pé senatorial district mẹ́ta ní bẹ ní Ọ̀yọ́ state Ọ̀yọ́ central nìkan sọ ní jẹ gómìnà ṣáṣá ọpẹ́ táwọn ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ Oke-Ogun Ọ̀yọ́ àti Ìbàràpá ti ń jẹ rotation lẹ́nu wọn ní ká pín ire ká láre kọ́mọ́dì dàbí ìtọ́lọ́fàmọ́jọ ṣùgbọ́n ṣe lọ́dà bí ìgbà táwọn Ìbàdàn gbójúlé nǹkan pé bá a dìbò nígbà gba Ìbàdàn ní ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kọ̀ wọlé sẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ pójú kan péré ní rúlà gbogbo tí wọ́n panú pọ̀ sí wọ́n sì gbà wípé Oke-Ogun Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ Ọ̀yọ́ Ìbàràpá wọn ò ní gbà fúnra wọn bí àwọn bá ti kó sáàrin wọn tí àwọn ju deputy governor sí wọn àbí speaker of the house tàbí party chairman tìdùnnú ńlájà wọn ò fi jẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ́ gbóná sẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ pé òun ṣẹ́ṣẹ́rẹ́ níjọ oníṣẹ́ lójú wọn mọ̀ pé ọmọ ọjà ti kú òníye tàná ejò ti wọ́ kú níbi tó wà l'Oke-Ogun bá rìjẹ́ẹ̀tì ipò igbákejì gómìnà wọn ní kí wọ́n yé fi tí ọ̀dà lu àwọn mọ́ èyí ni àkọlé àtẹ̀jáde tí wọ́n fi síta Oke-Ogun people reject deputy governorship over a clarion call for justice, equity and true representation in Oyo state politics on behalf of the resilient and dignified people of Oke-Ogun both at home and in the diaspora ẹgbẹ́ àjọṣepọ̀ fún ìtẹ̀síwájú gbogbo wa and advocacy movement committed to the realization of governorship power rotation in Oyo State come 2027 hereby say that the purported endorsement of Chief Abdulwahid Adebayo Adelabu Penkelemesi by Barrister Iyola Oladokun former deputy governor Chief Moses Alake Adeyemo former deputy governor Honourable Karim Tajudeen Abisodun member House of Representatives for Saki West, Saki East àti Isbo, Professor Adeolu Akande, former NCC chairman, and other APC leaders may be the party's choice for Oyo State governorship candidate. Is not Oke-Ogun people's choice. To this end, we like to say that this endorsement is a grave betrayal, a direct affront to the ideas of fairness, justice, equality, and inclusivity that Oke-Ogun people have long and patiently demanded. We have met, reasoned, and pleaded with the party leadership that all we seek is justice, that for once an Oke-Ogun son be given the opportunity to lead. Instead, a few self-serving elders have chosen to mortgage our collective destiny for personal gains and political crumbs. A call to conscience and courage, Oke-Ogun sons and daughters. This is a defining moment. We must rise above betrayal and stand against selfish politics that have for decades held our region in stagnation. These same individuals only accepted the token of a deputy governorship, yet brought nothing tangible home. They have chaired agencies, represented us in government, and occupied influential offices. Yet, what legacy have they left? What roads have they built? What schools, hospitals, or industries can they point to? Their politics begins and ends with their stomachs. Their loyalty is not to Oke-Ogun, but whoever feeds their greed. It is time we said enough is enough. The message is clear. If you agree with us, we will no longer accept the crumbs of deputy governor, party chairman, or speaker of the house. As the case may be, these positions have done nothing to advance our people. The time has come for Oke-Ogun to take its rightful place to produce the next governor of Oyo State. We must reject these political merchants and transactional politicians who see no one from Oke-Ogun as fit to lead, yet would rather sell our destiny to outsiders who neither know nor care about our struggles, for only God knows how much. Their decisions are not acts of wisdom, they are acts of weakness, fueled by greed and fear. Only God knows the place on their conscience, for we still cannot fathom how anyone could endorse an outsider when we have competent, capable sons within our own fold. Such betrayal of trust, absence of solidarity, and loss of regional pride reflect a dangerous void of patriotism. For a region that has never held the governorship, this act is not just disappointing, it is a painful setback to our collective aspiration and a wound to our long denied quest for justice and representation. Oke-Ogun must awaken. The continued marginalization of our region means continued poverty, poor roads, broken schools, decayed hospital, and darkness in our homes. If we remain silent, the oppression will continue. If the so-called elites have lost their conscience, we must not lose ours. We cannot join the monkeys to feast from the pot of abomination. This is the hour to reclaim our dignity. We must mobilize men, women, youth, students, and workers alike to stand as one unbreakable force. Register, collect your voters card, vote for any party that gives Oke-Ogun the governorship ticket. Let us reject instant gratification and embrace a vision of lasting greatness. Let us dream of that historic day when an Oke-Ogun son will stand in Nagodi Secretariat as the first governor from our region, addressing the people with pride and purpose. This dream will become a reality sooner than we can imagine before our very eyes. Our destiny is in our hands. This is our time, our divine moment. We must not miss it. Let us silence our oppressors within and outside. Let us unite in one voice to proclaim the history already knows. Gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ Oke-Ogun lọ́kàn. Goal GAL. Gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ àwa lọ́kàn. Together we shall rise. Together we shall win. Conclusion: we therefore call upon our brothers and sisters from Ìbàràpá, Ọ̀yọ́ and Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ to stand with us in this noble cause, for our victory is your victory. When an Oke-Ogun son rises as governor in 2027, it will mark the dawn of true power rotation in Oyo State, a new order where leadership circulates with fairness and every region has its turn. Let us not stand aloof or imagine that this struggle belongs to Oke-Ogun alone. Injustice to one region is injustice to all. Indifference will only prolong our collective bandage. Unity will hasten our liberation. Together, let us fight this just cause, and together we shall rejoice in its triumph. The fruits of our courage, sacrifice, and solidarity will be a legacy of equity, dignity, and shared prosperity for every son and daughter of Oyo State. Signed, Pastor Fefo Adéwọyé, National Secretary, ẹgbẹ́ àjọṣepọ̀ fún ìtẹ̀síwájú gbogbo wa. Engineer Dáúdà Ọláifá Àlàdé, National Chairman, ẹgbẹ́ àjọṣepọ̀ fún ìtẹ̀síwájú gbogbo wa. Bó ni ibà ṣe dùn tó kí Ọ̀yọ́, Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, Ìbàràpá kí wọ́n sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Òkè-Ògùn láti gba ipò gómìnà kúrò lọ́wọ́ Ìbàdàn fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n bọ̀tì orí tí ọjọ́ bẹ̀ sísè ò ní yé tami sílá. Àkísà tó bá ti dágbére àkìtàn, ìgbà abẹ́rẹ́ ò lè dá dúró elégbélé. Gbọ́kànnì tèmi ìwọ̀n ta pẹ́pẹ́ gbìjẹ́ yín mọ̀. Wọ́n wá látòkè-Ògùn, wọ́n wá látọ̀yọ́, mi kì í sọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Díẹ̀ ní tàlàbánú apẹ́ ẹ̀dùn. Oke-Ogun lọ́kàn, Fásọsì mi lọ́kàn mo pè yí. Ó ṣeéṣe kápá kejì ọ́ tẹ̀lé láìpẹ́ jọjọ. Títí ìgbà náà ẹ jẹ́ ń kídà ọ̀rọ̀ mi bákan náà. Màá tún fa ayọ̀ láìpẹ́ rárá. Ẹ láìkì kẹ́ fọ́lọ̀ péèjì mi lórí Facebook Awikonko TV, Awikonko TV. Ẹ subscribe sí YouTube channel mi Awikonko TV, Awikonko TV. Ẹ ní nǹkan pàtàkì tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ kájọ sọ, ẹ jẹ́ á sọ lórí WhatsApp +234 904 851 9362 +234 904 851 9362. Èdè àti àṣà ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjìrì ò ní wọmi, orílẹ̀-èdè ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjìrì ò ní dàrú, ìlú ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wa yóò tòrò mẹ́nẹ́mẹ́nẹ́. Àjùwà ṣe o.